Hi guys, in this video we are showing you how to turn on the DNS Recovery AI Chatbot. If you're new to LevelUp, here a quick explanation of what it is. Basically, our follow-up system works automatically, so whenever you were with a customer and they didn't buy from you, then you can decide when the next follow-up text message is going to be sent out automatically. And if the customer responds to your text, then the AI chatbot takes over. Our AI chatbot is highly trained. We trained our AI chatbot to use the highest level of sales psychology and human behavioral science. So whenever the customer responds, automatically the AI takes over and tries to either get a positive result or a negative result. As you know, nothing is worse than not knowing. But more often than not, the AI is actually able to turn the ship around and have the customer book another follow-up appointment with you to move forward with the project. But obviously, a lot of times also, the customer is just not ready to move forward. And then the AI finds out if the customer wants to follow up at a later date. If timing is an issue at this moment, or if they went with a different solution, like a competitor, or whenever money is an issue, the AI tries to find out if you'd be able to help them, like low monthly payments would work, etc. After all, the AI will show you the outcome of that conversation. Obviously, you can also interfere in between that conversation as it takes place on your app if needed. But for me, usually, those things happen when I'm on a sales call and I cannot answer. So that's a very convenient system. Besides that, honestly, most times I would simply forget to follow up at all. So this whole system is just a lifesaver for me. It creates so much more free time and a peace of mind that nothing falls through the cracks anymore. So let's get started. As you probably know, there is the app version for your phone, and then there is the desktop version. In this case, we have to go to the desktop version to make changes. So go to the website, www.app.levelupsaleselite.com. And then we open up the left-hand side menu. Go to AI Agents, and then we select the Conversation AI Chatbot. Then we go to Agents List, and you see you have that downloaded already here. That's our LevelUp DNS Recovery Chatbot. Open it by clicking on it, and there's nothing to do on training or goals. LevelUp did all that for you. Probably it's set to off. To use this, you have to set it to autopilot and then save. Now you armed your AI chatbot DNS recovery system. After that, you go to automations. In the automations, you go to the follow-up sequences, which is, for instance, DNS 3 days, 4 days, and so forth. But let's start with the 3-day here for now. Then you scroll down to the first automated text messages, which is being sent out after 3 days to the customer. And now you're clicking on the plus sign, the AI chatbot. So you're going to the update, and then you select the DNS Recovery Chatbot and make sure it's active. And then you're going to save it. And then going to save the whole automation as well. Now you can scroll to the next automated text message. Just in case the customer is not answering here, then a couple of days later, the customer is getting another automated text message. And make sure that after every text message, the chatbot is activated again, just in case the customer answers eventually, so that then the chatbot can take over every time. Now go back to the automations and repeat. The same process for all the other DNS wait times. If you have any questions, always reach out. We can walk you through in person, or we can even do all this for you if you like. If you are new to LevelUp Sales Elite, reach out to us. We will be happy to show you a demo.